Hi guys, it's Spence from Onyx Automotive and welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today we have this brand new 2022 Porsche 911 Turbo S. This came here straight from Porsche themselves and it's in here for a front end extended paint protection film install. So what that's going to do, it's going to protect the entirety of the front end from both wings, the bonnet, the front bumper, the skirts and half of the rear quarter. I'm going to show you that entire process of installing the PPF right now. So not only has this car came in for paint protection film, we're also going to be ceramic coating the entire car with said products, which I'm going to show you right now. So here are all the products that we've used on this car. Starting off, protect all the paintwork and enhance the gloss paintwork. We've used Show Evo by Gion. All that's going to do, it's going to, as I just mentioned, it's going to enhance all the paintwork, make it repellent from water, and it's also going to further protect the car from road contaminants such as salt. We've also ceramic coated the wheels with Gion's rim ceramic, which is also going to protect the car from other contaminants on the road such as salt and much more. We've also protected the glass using G-Technics Smart Glass. So what this product actually does, it makes the windscreen cleaner for longer and it also stops smearing. Not only that, it is very water repellent. And with this product, if you've applied it, it also makes contaminants such as like bird poo or any thick dirt, mud, very easy to clean off. Moving on to the interior, we've used more G-Technic products. What these two products do, the leather guard and the smart fabric, these two products together will protect the interior not only from water and spillages, it'll also protect from dirt and dust, and it'll also put the leather interior back to its original colour. As over time, from dirt, dust, grease or whatever, matte seats tend to end up very glossy and shiny. This will restore that. you go, the 911 Turbo S is now officially complete, sat here in all its glory, fully restored, and not only that, it's fully protected. Right now we're going to take it back to Porsche on the Onyx truck, and then it's going to move on to its next customer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on. Check out some of the other videos we've done, and I'll see you guys in the next one.